From the home page, enter your host code or click Host New Event. This is the event setup page. Select your region, time per round, and total number of rounds. Now select your street view locations for each round. The current round being selected will flash. Zoom in on the map to find your street view. Click on a location to load the street view. You can then move around to lock in the view you want. Click Lock View. Do the same for the following rounds. Once all rounds are locked, you can click Launch Event. This is your host control page. Share the QR code with your attendees or the 5-digit access code. As attendees join, they will be displayed in the live leaderboard. When everyone is ready, click Start the round. The countdown timer starts and attendees start guessing. Scores update after each round. At the end of the event, the winners will be displayed at the top. Attendees scan the QR code or enter the 5-digit event code. They will then be asked to enter their name. They are now waiting for the host to start the event. When the round starts, the countdown timer starts, the street view is displayed, and the map for guessing on the right. Points are based on proximity to the location guessed. At the end, the top 3 winners are displayed at top and the full list below. That's PlaceZap.